I'm here today to talk to you about the Profoto 1200 watt second mains power pack and its simple controls. It's a mains power pack, so you plug it into the mains right there. Across the top of the power pack, you have your power button, you have your modeling light controls for A and B, and then you have your overall modeling light control for the entire pack. So you can turn the whole pack off, modeling lights. You can use the dimmers, which you can control A and B channels separately, or you can go to maximum, which brings all the modeling lights up to their 100%. You have a test button there. Across the bottom of the pack are your flash controls. You have your A channel here. You have your combine and isolate switch here. You have your B channel here, and you have your variator for the whole pack up and down here. Your sync cable is here. There's 3 different ways that you can trigger the power pack. Our power packs here at Belfast Studio Rentals. You can use the sync cord, you can use the optical slave, and there's the switch for it right there. Or you can also use a pocket wizard. We have a little handy strip of Velcro there on the side that you can attach pocket wizards to. So when it comes to power, flash power, you can either combine or isolate the A and B channels. Because this is a 1200 watt second power pack, if we isolate the 2 channels, you're going to get 600 watt seconds out of A channel, and you're going to get 600 watt seconds out of B channel, potentially split up between the 2 heads, depending upon if you have 1 or 2 heads plugged in. If you have this switcher set to combine, you're going to get 1200 watt seconds divided by the number of heads that you have plugged in. So 1 head is going to get 1200 watt seconds, 2 heads is going to get 600 watt seconds, and 3 heads will get 400 watt seconds. Then on each channel, you have a separate switch that will take it from full power to half power to quarter power. Each one of those obviously being a stop. So if you're at full power and you need to go down a stop on your A channel light, you just go down to half power. If you need to go down another stop, you go down to quarter power. And the same on B channel. If you need to take the whole pack up or down, you can use the variator here, and you have a 2-stop variator set in 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter of a stop clicks. As well, on the power pack, underneath the handle here, you have a fast and slow recycle. Obviously, if you're using it in the studio, you're more than likely going to be set to fast. If you're in an unknown location and you don't know what the electricity is like, you can set it to slow, just so that there's less draw. Underneath on the other side of the handle is your audible beep for your ready indication. So you can have that set to silent, or it can beep for you. Basically, that's the power pack in a nutshell. I also have a head here. So because Profoto uses this unique cable and plug system, the longest pin here is the ground pin. So when I do go and plug this in, I line up all the dots in a row, and I line it up with the slot on the power pack. I plug it in, and I turn the locking collar. I turn the pack on, and our modeling light is on. And turn our modeling light off. There's our ready light. We'll turn the audio off on that. It's always best when you want to plug another head in or take a head out of the pack to unplug or to turn the pack off first and then unplug the head. Even though Profoto is an arcless plug, it's still a good idea to do that. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Another thing which you probably just saw was that the Profoto is a self-dumping power pack. So when I turn the pack off, the power dumps out of the power pack through the head so that there's no charge left in the pack. So at that point you can unplug the head, plug it into another channel, or plug more heads into it. And that is the basic operation for a Profoto 1200 watt second acute power pack.